We use vector saws. We have been using them for a long time because they are very reliable and easy to maintain. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline.
What did you use before?
We used electric saws before, but they were not very productive. Victar are professional quality saws. For our high volumes, we do not see other options at the moment. Neither Stihl or other saws can compare.
How much do you saw? How many cubic meters? How much time does it take?
We process 30 to 40 cubic meters a day, cutting them into 30-40 centimeter logs. Every day, throughout the year, the Victar saws perform excellently.
Do you work one shift of 8 hours?
Yes, we have an 8-hour work day.
Would you recommend them to others?
Yes, of course. At the moment, there is probably no better option for hand saws.